Well, Jefferson Agbotro, he was awarded for his impact in the health category in Sunyai and other areas. He joins us via Zoom with more. I'm grateful for your time, Mr. Agbotro. Kindly unmute for me. Kindly unmute for me. Hello, Mr. Jefferson Agbotro.
Yeah, hello, Aisha.
Yeah, congratulations for winning the award.
Many thanks.
Great.
Yeah, many thanks.
Great. So just so viewers can know some of the work of Jefferson and why he was awarded, we want to share with you what he's been doing in his community.
Right, thank you very much.
I'm Jefferson Agbotro. I am a nurse by profession. I've been practicing for a decade plus at the Bono Regional Hospital, Sunyani. My passion is to see a world where people are having access to basic necessities such as, healthcare and then education, empowerment, where it will take an empowered society to bring development. 15 years ago, I saw people dying of preventable conditions such as high blood pressure and then diabetes. So I came out with an organization called Friends of Health Association. And one of the key projects that we have done, blood donation for hospitals. And we are talking about cleanup exercise, community mobilization. Currently, we are on a child empowerment project. In fact, this project is seeking to empower 2,000 basic school students in the Bono East and the Ahafo region. The output or the resource is to ensure that we are having the reduction in teenage pregnancy. If you look at the data, teenage pregnancy all over the country is on the ascendancy. So this program will ensure that there is a reduction, if not, eradicating the menace of teenage pregnancy. I've mentored over 500 plus nurses in the region intentionally through clinical skills, through my work at the emergency department of the Bono Regional Hospital, and then through other mediums and training. We have 20,000 plus that have benefited from all this project. They have benefited by way of healthcare, they are benefited by way of reconnecting back to the hospital, they are benefited by way of community development, they are benefited by the way of empowerment, and others are taking initiative of their healthcare. If not for the JoyNews Impact project, all the things that I'm doing over here would otherwise not have been heard. So it's a very brilliant idea. People will be motivated, people will be inspired, people will be challenged to pick up a problem in their society. That it doesn't matter who is watching, it doesn't matter who is not watching you, we have to keep going. So I commend JoyNews for this wonderful program and project which have come to stay, and this being the maiden one, we believe is going to be a springboard for society, especially the youth, to pick up projects in their community. So I believe it's one of the greatest projects that we can ever have in our country and then in the world. So I commend JoyNews for this impact project.
Well, congratulations once more, Jefferson. How do you feel that your work that you're doing in your own small corner has been recognized?
Yeah, thank you very much, Aisha. I feel really inspired because we've been working over the years and we don't find a lot in Ghana, especially volunteerism. We are living in a country where everyone is quick to blame government for almost every problem. But growing up, I grew up from the village, and I realized that they were living as a community. And sometimes when there are problems, they come together to solve it. So having been educated as a professional nurse, I saw people dying sometimes of preventable health conditions. So I took up the challenge, and over the years, I have been the main sponsor in terms of financial resources. So it's really inspiring, and people are excited to also know that whatever that you are doing, you may never know who is watching you. I was not working with the intention of being awarded, but I just...
Well, Jefferson, okay.
My mind that we need to help. in making a society a better place. So I'm very excited about this award, and a lot more people in the Bono Eastern Africa region and Ghana and all over the world. But we've done a lot over the period, and it's going to inspire and challenge a lot of people to see what they can do in helping their community, especially the time that we live in. I believe that it's not everything that we have to depend on our political leader to solve them for us. The professionals in our country, we can help to reshape our community. So this project, this award by JoyNews, I would say is one of the outstanding. Looking at JoyNews, the biggest platform in terms of media coverage. So I'm very excited about it. And together with the entire Bono region in Ghana, we are so much happy about it.
This award, Jefferson, I believe will urge you on to do more. What next for you?
Yeah, very well. As I speak currently, there are 2 projects we are running. The first one is the Child Empowerment Project. Child Empowerment Project is seeking to empower 2,000 basic school children in the Bono Eastern Africa region on teenage pregnancy, which is a major problem in the country, of which our region is no exception. When it comes to the issue of HIV and AIDS, the Bono region is also plagued with such a menace. So we are going to educate the people. We are going to distribute menstrual pads and educate people on menstrual hygiene. And we are looking at mentorship and skill development. And we have done this in collaboration with the Department of Gender Ministry, Social Welfare, NCCE, the Food and Drugs Authority, the Traditional Council. So this is the project we are running. The expectation is that we will run this project for 5 to 10 years and replicate it across the country, because it's a project that is expected to build a more confident people, young people who become very productive. And then the second one is a food project. We are partnering with an organization in the United Kingdom to give food assistance to the weak and the vulnerable. We are looking at people with disability, and we are also doing that in partnership with the Social Welfare Department. And the idea is to help people live a better life. SDG Goal 1 says end hunger by 2030. And who is going to end that hunger? It will take you and I to take some of this project. So that is the project that we are running currently. And we are hoping that we'll get more people to partner and support us, so that we can scale out this project to every district and every region of Ghana, because we are looking at building a better society, to have more responsible citizens taking up challenges and solving societal problems. So that is currently what we are running, and expecting that to be scaled out to every part of the country.
Agbotro, thank you so much for the good work you're doing. We really appreciate your good work, and we wish you all the best in your next line of projects.